Hello student, myself Mayur Sompura. I have done BTech and MTech in thermal engineering. I live in Sagoda city of Dungapur district and state Rajasthan. I have 9 years of experience of teaching subject of physics and maths in senior secondary schools. So today I am going to represent on topic of motion in a straight line, class 9, subject science. So first of all, we need to know about what is the meaning of the motion. Motion, which means that an object which is changes its position with respect to the time. Object can be a non-living or living object, or human body, animal body, or a ball, whatever we can consider. When he is changing his position with respect to the time, is considered as a motion. Now, when we talk about the motion in a straight line, which means that an object which is moving or changing its position on a straight path in a particular time, that's called the motion in a straight line. So we need some parameters. The first is distance. What is the meaning of distance? So when an object is changing its position, or we can say the object can travel or some distance, so which means that the total path which is covered by the object. Suppose an object which is at point A, which is moving from A to B, this is 100 meter, and again it is returned back to the point A. The total distance, which means that the total path which is followed by the object, is 200 meter. So distance is measured in unit is meter. Now the another is displacement. What is the displacement? Displacement is the shortest path covered by an object. It's called the displacement. Now second one is displacement. Displacement is the shortest path covered by the object. It's called the displacement. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Many students can confuse. Distance cannot be the zero. Distance is a scalar quantity, which means that distance having only the magnitude. It does not have any direction. When we talk about displacement, displacement can be zero, it can be negative, it can be positive, because the displacement having a direction. It is a vector quantity. Got it? So distance and displacement both having the same unit, which is called the meter, is written as a meter. So when we talk about the speed, what is speed? We already learned that speed, the distance per unit time. An object is moving in some speed which is given at the 70 km per hour or 30 km per hour. So an object is moving his position with respect to the time, which means that he is traveling or he is following some path. So we can write the formula speed equals to distance upon time. Now unit is distance is considered as a meter and time is always in second. So meter per second, it's called speed. Speed is also a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity. So when we talk about the velocity, the velocity is written as the rate of change of displacement, which means that displacement upon time. Displacement upon time. The unit is same for meter per second. The unit is same for both speed and velocity. The unit is meter per second. So we initially talk about the distance, displacement, speed and velocity. These are the most important topic when we talk about the motion in a straight line. By using this, we have to solve some problems in our textbooks. So I have one question. When an object is a runner which is moving on a circular path, whose having the diameter is 14 centimeter. How much? 14 centimeter. So diameter is 14 centimeter. find